Hey there, wondrous millionaires. Welcome back to our business segment here on Wondrous Millionaires, where we dive deep into the secrets of success that pave the way to becoming the next big name in the business world. Imagine a world where your business not only thrives but blossoms into a beacon of excellence, all because of one crucial element: customer satisfaction. Yes, you heard it right. In today's competitive landscape, focusing on your customers is not just a strategy, it's a revolution in itself. Have you ever wondered why some businesses manage to retain customers effortlessly while others struggle to make a mark? The answer lies in understanding and prioritizing the very heart of any business: the customers. Think about your favorite brand, the one you keep returning to. What keeps you hooked? Is it just the product, or is it the way they make you feel valued, heard, and appreciated? Today, we are going to explore the untapped power of customer satisfaction, a force so compelling that it can turn your business fortunes around. We'll delve into 10 groundbreaking strategies, sprinkled with real-life examples from the bustling marketplaces of India that will not only help you retain customers but transform them into loyal advocates of your brand. Buckle up, millionaires, because this journey will equip you with the knowledge and insights to elevate your business to unparalleled heights. From understanding the nuances of customer feedback to creating memorable experiences that resonate, we've got it all covered. So, let's dive right in and uncover the magic formula that could be your game changer. Number 1. The power of listening to your customers. Hey millionaires, ever felt unheard? It's frustrating, right? Now imagine your customers feeling the same way. The first key to stellar customer satisfaction is to listen actively to what your customers have to say. A great example is the Indian telecom giant, Jio. They have revolutionized the market by constantly listening to customer feedback and introducing affordable plans that cater to their needs. By creating channels for feedback, be it through surveys, social media, or direct communication, you make your customers feel valued and respected. This simple act of listening can lead to monumental changes in how your business is perceived. So, don't just hear your customers, truly listen and act on their feedback. It's a game changer. Number 2. Personalization is key. Who doesn't love a personal touch? Millionaires, personalization can turn an ordinary customer experience into an extraordinary one. Just look at the success of Indian online retailer Flipkart. They use customer data to personalize shopping experiences, offering recommendations and deals tailored to individual preferences. Personalization makes customers feel special and understood, fostering a stronger connection with your brand. By leveraging data to understand customer preferences and behavior, you can offer bespoke experiences that make your customers feel like they're your number one priority. Number 3. Deliver exceptional customer service. Imagine walking into a store and being greeted with a warm smile and a helping hand. Feels good, right? Exceptional customer service is the cornerstone of customer satisfaction. Taj Hotels, one of India's premier hospitality brands, excels in this by going above and beyond to make guests feel welcomed and cared for. Train your team to prioritize customer happiness and solve issues promptly. A satisfied customer is more likely to return and recommend your business to others. Remember, every interaction counts, so make it a positive and memorable one. Number 4. Be transparent and honest. Transparency builds trust, and trust builds loyalty, millionaires. Being upfront with your customers, even when things go wrong, can significantly boost your credibility. Take the example of Patanjali, the Indian consumer goods company that openly communicates its ingredient sources and manufacturing processes. When customers feel that a brand is honest, they're more likely to stay loyal. Whether it's about product delays, pricing, or service issues, keeping your customers in the loop creates a sense of reliability and trust. Honesty is indeed the best policy. Number 5. Reward loyalty. Everyone loves rewards, right? Acknowledging and rewarding loyal customers can turn them into lifelong advocates for your brand. For instance, Indian airlines like Indigo offer frequent flyer programs that reward regular customers with exclusive perks and benefits. Implement a loyalty program that offers discounts, exclusive access, or special gifts to your regular customers. This not only encourages repeat business but also shows your customers that you value their continued support. A little appreciation goes a long way. Number 6. Create memorable experiences. Millionaires, memorable experiences are what make customers come back for more. Brands like Zomato in India excel in creating unique and delightful experiences, from witty app notifications to personalized restaurant recommendations. Focus on creating experiences that go beyond just selling a product or service. Surprise your customers with unexpected perks or delightful interactions that leave a lasting impression. The more memorable the experience, the more likely they are to return and spread the word. Number 7. Stay ahead with innovation. In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead of the curve with innovative solutions is crucial. Think about how Ovio Rooms transformed the Indian hospitality industry with their budget-friendly, standardized hotel services. Keep an eye on the latest trends and technologies in your industry and continuously innovate to meet your customers' evolving needs. By staying ahead, you not only keep your customers satisfied but also position your business as a leader in the market. Number 8. Empower your employees. Happy employees create happy customers, millionaires. Empowering your team to make decisions and go the extra mile can significantly enhance customer satisfaction. Companies like Infosys in India invest heavily in employee training and satisfaction to ensure they deliver the best customer service. Ensure that your employees have the tools, training, and autonomy to provide exceptional service. When your team feels valued and motivated, it reflects in their interactions with your customers, leading to a more positive experience overall. Number 9. Build a community. Building a community around your brand can create a loyal customer base that feels connected and engaged. Brands like Tanishq, the Indian jewelry retailer, have successfully built a community by hosting exclusive events and maintaining active social media presence. Create opportunities for your customers to connect with each other and your brand, whether through events, social media groups, or loyalty programs. A strong community fosters loyalty and creates a sense of belonging among your customers. Number 10. Solicit and act on feedback. The best way to improve is by knowing where you stand, and feedback is the key to that knowledge. Paytm, the digital wallet company in India, continuously seeks customer feedback to improve its services and introduce new features that meet customer needs. Actively solicit feedback through various channels and make visible efforts to implement changes based on that feedback. This not only shows your customers that you care about their opinions but also helps you improve and stay relevant in a competitive market. Here's your bonus, number 11. Embrace social responsibility. Customers today are more socially conscious and appreciate businesses that give back to the community. Amul, the Indian dairy cooperative, is a great example of a company that has built a strong reputation by supporting local farmers and communities. Incorporate social responsibility into your business model by supporting causes that resonate with your customers. This not only enhances your brand image but also fosters a deeper connection with your audience, who will feel proud to support a brand that gives back. There you have it, millionaires. 10 powerful strategies, plus a bonus, to boost customer satisfaction and take your business to new heights. By listening to your customers, personalizing experiences, delivering exceptional service, being transparent, rewarding loyalty, creating memorable experiences, staying ahead with innovation, empowering your employees, building a community, and embracing social responsibility, you'll not only satisfy your customers but turn them into loyal advocates for your brand. Now, I want to hear from you. What is one customer satisfaction strategy that you've seen work wonders for a business? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more business insights that can help you on your journey to becoming a wondrous millionaire.